Okay guys, so today this is a relatively short video and we are going to talk about diffraction. Okay, so what is diffraction? I normally start this lesson with a little bit of experiment. So I ask the student to volunteer. I say, hey, can I have 2 students volunteer for me? So and then I ask a student to hide under the desk so I can't see the student. Okay, and then I call out. I say, hey Jacob, can you hear me? So the answer commonly is yes, I can hear you. I was, okay, can you see me? He say no. And I was okay, that's the end of the experiment. Okay, so, well, why can he hear me, but he cannot see me? Okay, so that is the question we're trying to answer today. Well, he can hear me, that's because the wave, well, actually sound wave, are able to bend around the corners, okay? So if you look at this, the speaker, just with my camera right here, with my phone, so the speaker is actually on the side, right? It's not directly in front of me because I can't see any holes there drilled for the speaker to be put. The speaker is on the side, but when I'm talking, the sound actually can bend, go straight line, going every direction, and then can actually bend around into the speaker, into the microphone, so you will be able to hear it, okay? But the camera has to be put in the front. That's because light ray is very, very short, have a very, very short wavelength, and that wavelength does not bend around. And this is, so light travels in a straight line. So this is due to the effect called diffraction, okay? So in the book, I draw all these different, in the notes, we draw all these different situations that you could encounter. So you actually see how does light bend. And they only bend very well if they have a big wavelength, if the gap is really small, okay? So, but I want to draw one with you guys so that I can point out the important things, okay? So obviously I don't have a ruler here, so it's a bit of a shame. So I just try to do my best. So, say when you have a wave coming over here, this is called the wave front, okay? And when you draw it, you need to make sure like the wavelength is the same, because this is called the wavelength, lambda. So wavelengths need to be the same, okay? So because they are in the same medium, so the speed is the same. Okay, if you don't draw them the same, they will punish you for that. Okay, and then when it comes over here, some students started drawing over here. Well, then your wavelengths become really, really short. And that's incorrect. You're going to be marked down for it. Sometimes it's crazy. It doesn't matter how many times I emphasize this. Still some students will do it wrong. Okay, say here, and now the wavelength is going to be this much. Okay, still keeping same as there. Okay, and then when it comes over here, the wavelength still going to be the same. And I draw a straight line over here. Wave does not bend over here. Okay, here will still go straight, but on the side it will start to bend. So I just draw a little bit bend. Okay, and then I draw the next one. In fact, I'm gonna draw all these same wavelength ones first, and then I'm gonna make the curve. Okay, it looks like I actually made them a little bit smaller. Okay, what I'll do is I'll make the top one a little bit closer. Okay, and then once I got these one, and then I can curve them. Some students do this. If you do this, you see the wavelengths become really, really short over here. So you can't just do it like that. Okay, so what you do is you need to do very smooth curve. So smooth curve, because this is gonna be basically this is gonna be a circle. To make it the same, you think about, well, there is a point with the radius, then you gotta go like that, go like that. So that is gonna be your radius. So in that way, you're making sure, even this one is a little bit too close together. That, okay, all right, and then this one you curve. Okay, think about this is a circle, this is a circle. Okay, think about this one is going to be a circle. Okay, same circle as that circle. Okay, think about here, it's a same circle, and this distance should still be the same. Should still be the same over here. Okay, and then the other thing is these need to be in line like that. Okay, you don't need to draw this dotted line. I'm just drawing to show you how this is being in line over there, okay? So in this situation, you can see if your boat is resting over here, it wouldn't be rocking up and down because the wave is not going to diffract to here, okay? So it should be a symmetrical shape. Okay, so now let's come to this one. We're going to do the same thing, draw the same wavelength. Okay, wave coming. Okay, and these waves are coming, and over here, this side has been blocked, so the next one should be over here. Right? Okay, and then I'm still going to draw the same length. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good enough. That's how many we have. And then we started curving on the side. Make sure it's a round curve. Okay, it's a very smooth. It's a circle curve. Okay, and then curve, same as that one. But this one, I'm going to draw a bit more because this is going to be a bigger diffraction. When bigger diffraction, it does not mean curves. It curves closer to the side over here. Okay, so it goes all the way there. Okay, and this one is going to curve all the way to here. Okay, that is going to align up as well. Okay, so and then this one is going to curve, keep the radius same. The gap should always be the same to here. Okay, same thing here. Gap should always be the same. Okay, so now that will be a much bigger diffraction compared to this one. Okay, all right. So obviously there are a lot of different situations as I've shown you in the notes. So, but I just want to emphasize when you draw it, how do you draw it? You draw the straight line first, keep the wavelength the same, and then you bend them and then keep the wavelength the same. And then you need to make sure that they are going in a straight line over here, like that. Okay, all right. This is a short video, as I've said. So now you can try your homework, and if there's any questions, send me an email, and then I can make another video out of it, or just reply to you. Okay. All right. Have a great day, guys. Keep safe.